Hello everyone, this is Plabani and I am back with the new video on PySpark. So in yesterday's video which we have discussed, how we can compare our CSV and our parquet file. Now today we are going to learn, suppose you have a Excel and XML file. They both are different format file. They both are different file. That's what it happens in real time. It's not that you will going to get always a CSV file or Excel file. You might get JSON file. You might get, Excel file. You might get Parquet file. So I have already shown how to play with Parquet, how to play with CSV, how to play with JSON. Now today we are going to talk about how we can play with Excel and XML in ETL automation testing by using PySpark. So one thing guys, you need to remember, in PySpark, we don't have direct option to read Excel. That is the reason we have to convert this Excel to the CSV. Now, how we can do that? Let us learn it. Before that, I'm just giving a glimpse of it, like we are using Google Colab. This has been already discussed in my previous videos, how to access Colab and how to upload the files in Colab. This all has been given in my previous video. You can refer it, guys. Now, step one, we already know how to use Panda. In Panda, we have an option to read Excel. As PySpark does not support reading Excel, what I will do, I will read the Excel through Panda, which is PD. You can see I have imported here Pandas. Import Pandas as PD. And then this is for Park session. This is for the column. These two I have already explained in my previous video why you need it. This is present already in your PySpark library. Import as Spark session. This also PySpark.SQL import column. So these all present under your PySpark SQL libraries. So first step is I'm reading the Excel through Panda. After reading the Excel through Panda, I will convert Excel to the CSV. I have given here variable name Excel underscore df. Excel underscore df dot to CSV. So I'm reading this to CSV and giving the name as employee dot CSV. Index value I don't want. I'm keeping it as false. Print Excel converted to CSV because I'm just reading the Excel and converting that to the CSV so that I can use that as part of my PySpark. Now, next step, everyone knows from my previous video by now that we have to create a Spark session when you work on any PySpark code. Read CSV in PySpark. So spark.read.csv just now which we converted to the CSV, I'm using that header equal to true and info schema true. Print CSV data. Now this CSV underscore df dot show will display the output. Okay, sorry, let me go up. I don't know why cursor gone down. Okay, little up. Yes, we are here. CSV underscore df dot show. Then read XML. CSV's part is done. Now we need to read the XML. In read XML in PySpark, what we can do, Spark read format XML. Option row tag dot employee. From employee, you have to tag your all row. These are the commands present in PySpark, guys. Then dot load employee dot XML. This is for tagging your row on employee, and this is your file name. print XML data. This will print your XML data. Now reading the Excel, converting to CSV, then reading XML, both are done. Now we will check the row count between two things. One is CSV and one is our XML. As you know, we have to use a count command to count it. CSV underscore df dot count, XML underscore df dot count. We will count the record present in my file. Then I will check the counts are same. Same, pass, not same, fail. Now schema validation. For that in Python we use print schema. So CSV underscore df dot print schema, XML underscore df dot print schema. Now we will again check the schemas are matching. Matching pass, not matching fail. Now we are going to try to identify missing record. Present in Excel but missing in XML. It is present in Excel and not present in XML. So CSV underscore df join XML underscore df, joining on what column? Employee ID. How? Left empty. See, left empty means it will identify only the extra. Common it will not display. If you use just left join, what it does? It will do common and extra present in your left table. If you just use left underscore empty, it is gonna use only the table data which is not matching. That's why I'm using left empty and displaying the missing record. Now I am doing opposite, presenting XML, not presenting Excel. Same thing you can do. This time I have taken XML as a left table and CSV as a right table. Do left empty to identify it. I just changed the position, taken XML underscore df. This is as a left and CSV underscore df as a right. It will identify the extra record and display the data. Data reconciliation to identify the data validation between source and target. So I'll do join and try to compare the data set. Once I compare the data set, I will try to identify the mismatch of salary. For that, what I do? Comparison, which I have done here. Dot filter, it is a PySpark command. S.salary, which is CSV source, not equal to T.salary target. After that, I am just printing all mismatches record between two tables. Like from employee table, what is the source salary, which is Excel, and what is the target salary. Okay, and print it up. Now, similar way, I will do the department validation. Same process. Identify the department present in source, not present in, like both are not matching, and then display the data mismatch. CT validation. So I'm doing for each and every column and try to see each column's data are matching or not, because that's what the data validation. We check each and every column values, row by row. So if I just write this, it will do based on the employee ID. It will check respective columns row by row. Similar way CT. Now just generating a validation report that how many row count of source, target, missing counts, extra records, salary mismatches, department mismatches, city mismatches, and it will print the result for us. So spark.data frame. Okay, so I'm creating a data frame to generate my report. So summary, validation and result, and it will print the report. So if I just show you this report, so you can see Excel has 10 record, XML has 10 record, missing record 1, extra record also 1, salary mismatch 1, department mismatch 1, city mismatch 1. Now if you, it is just after executing this, it will automatically get generated, guys. Okay, don't worry. How it is getting generated, you need to just click here and automatically your output will get generated. If you scroll down, you can see this is an extra record, employee ID. This is the joint record. You can see the mismatches. So here salary is 70,000 for 103. Here it is 75,000 salary. So this is the record which is not matching for 103. You can see here, if I scroll down, you can see the salary mismatches. The department mismatches, scroll down. 107 IT. Let's go and check. 107 department is IT, but in another XML it is HR. So it is not matching. And it is just generating your report. See, understand it is so easy. You have a different set of files and you can do the data cancellation validation by generating your framework in PySpark. So these concepts are very important. Don't worry, this code I will be put inside the comment so that everyone can use it. And I would like everyone to please go through the YouTube videos and let me know if you have any clarification. I am happy to help you guys. And if you want to join my ETL automation testing course, you can reach out to my email ID, which is plabani52@gmail.com. So I'll write it down in Notepad. It's plabani52@gmail.com. So if you wanted to join my ETL automation testing course, definitely you can reach out to here. We will be soon coming back with the new videos. Till then, happy learning. Bye. Take care.